Hello, what's up YouTube photographer Ronix with an Atria. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an easy way of how to get back or how to achieve that nice white look in images in Photoshop. Remember, oftentimes when you are color grading or trying to adjust the white balance in the images, the most areas that have white in them usually try to get that tint of that kind of white balance that we apply to the image as we're trying to do adjustments on them. So we just want to see how we can get back that nice and beautiful rich exact white color to the image, and also how you can easily play around with that white color to get another shade through it. So without further ado, let's get started. And if at all you find the video helpful, I request that you hit the like button so that YouTube can push and recommend this video to many people out there. You can see that this is what we have as after. You can see before and after are really different, and this before has that kind of tint added to it, and in the after we have really achieved that nice and pure white in this very case. So I'm just going to delete this. So in order to achieve this, we're just going to be using a very nice and simple technique, that is using selective color. Remember, by using selective color in Photoshop, we can target a given color and we adjust it accordingly. So in order to achieve that, just come to the adjustments and come to selective color right here. So when you come to selective color, you can see that we have the option which says colors, and you can see that we have reds, we also have yellows, greens, suns, blue, magentas, whites, neutrals, and blacks. So depending on the color that you want to work on, you have to come and select the color. So this time around, we want to play around with the white color. So usually when we are doing or working with the white balance, you can see oftentimes it tends to either add a given color within the white areas of maybe the outfit or even the backdrop itself. So in order to achieve this pure white color, just come and look for the color that looks prominent on the white area. You can see that it is adding a little bit of tint towards this very white area. So in order to do that, just come to the yellowish tint or the yellows in the white color and make sure it is in relative right here. Then with that, you can simply come and start taking the yellows out of the white. So you can see that this is going to make this area very white. You can see the before and after, before, after. So if at all maybe you have or you'd want to add a given color, for example more of the yellows, you can just drag this towards the right hand side, and that is going to add more of that yellow tint on the white area. But remember, the tutorial is about how to create and get that pure white in either the top or even the backdrop. You can just come and take out the yellows in this case. So if at all you have more magentas within the white area, for example, you can simply come and turn this and you're going to get out the magentas from the white area. So depending on the look that you're trying to go in for, select the color and simply drag it out depending on the color that has been really affecting the white area. So for this case, you can see that the white outfit was having more of that yellowish kind of tint to it. So in order to eliminate it, just come and select whites and simply drag out the yellows, and that is going to make it look white. So as you're doing this, in most cases it tends to make the overall areas that have white. Remember, we just want to target specific areas, and oftentimes this also affects the teeth, and it is going to make the eyes even look a little bit more on the unnatural side. So in order to perfect this, select the layer mask and simply invert it by pressing Ctrl or Command I on the keyboard, and simply come and get the brush tool. Make sure it is a brush tool and the hardness is at 0, meaning it is a soft round brush. Opacity and the flow at 100%, and make sure you have black and white on these two color swatches by resetting and clicking on these two small boxes or color swatches, and you can switch between black and white by using X on the keyboard to switch in between the foreground and background. So make sure the foreground color is white. So after doing that, you can now use your brush and you can simply paint in the areas using a white brush. Remember, in Photoshop, white is going to reveal and black is going to hide. So we're just going to paint and reveal back the areas that we want to have that kind of nice and pure white in this very case. So just come and paint through those areas, reduce on the size and paint on a different area that you want to whiten. In this case, you can see by just doing this, we are just going to whiten only and only areas that you want whiten in this very case or scenario. So you can see before, before and after. So basically this is how to get pure white in maybe the fabric or even the backdrop of your images. And if at all you have found this video really insightful and helpful, I request that you hit the like button on this video so that YouTube can push and recommend this video to many people out there. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in yet more amazing tutorials, and don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.